It's gonna just keep going. It's just gonna drive into this. And then what's interesting here, if here, turn it off and then pull up. Something's rolling around in the trunk. If I put it back on now, it's gonna like drive aimlessly. It's gonna just keep going. It's just gonna drive into this rock, onion all these rocks.
I mean, this looks like a rally course at this point. So Tesla's like, yeah, whatever.
Let's go.
FSD rally?
How bizarre. Boy, that's a rough driveway.
Well, you can see it's not like paved up to
oh,
the
that's
curbs yet, because they're still doing.
Oh, it put the left blinker on to go forward.
Well, we want to go left here.
So random.
I got the one cone and the other cone, which is actually a fire hydrant.
Where are we going? Where are we going? So see, like, so here. Honestly, like that kind of a turn, that's a pretty solid. Like it peaked and went.
Yeah.
We can go back here in a second. I'm just like, what's it gonna?
Cool.
Like, where's it gonna take us?
I'm down with whatever's happening because this is some Columbus right now of FSD.
This is totally like take me somewhere random. Like I don't even think it knows where we're going.
No, but I mean, I also am not familiar with this part of town, so I'll take a tour. I've never been on this part of the road. Is that a firehouse?
Okay, we put our right blinker on.
Okay, there's a firehouse here. Madison Fire. I didn't know this was here. They got their solar panels. Oh, cool. What is over here?
Dead end that way. You're taking us back to Costco?
This is comical. What is that? Vote? A ballot drop box? 24/7 video surveillance. So, I mean, I guess you're supposed to do some sweet dance moves there and see if it goes viral. Okay, so we're going back towards my place-ish. We'll drive you into the corn. That's a lot safer than rocks.
We're peeking.
I wouldn't mind some pecan pie. Oh, those are actually cones. Yeah, the cones are moving.
I think Elon tweeted something like they're supposed to be fixing that with like one of the next. See this?
It stops here.
Okay, so I'm gonna hit the accelerator.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I'm not sure what that is.
Oh, it's a stop sign. I must stop.
I've had to go through a yellow light and then like try to stop afterwards. So it gets confused.
Not good.
Well, thanks, man, for being willing to ride it with.
Absolutely.
It's fun to share the joy of FSD.
It's different than just talking about it.
Like, hey, this is what it's really like.
Mainly safe, a little sketchy, but you're the supervisor of your car.
They still need to add like routing, so like right now you can put in like A to B, but you can't put like A, B, C. And then also if you put in a destination, like we put in Costco before, you can't pick which way it takes you to Costco. It only goes the one way, and the only way to really get around that is if you like make it take a right turn and then turn it back on. So I'd like to see it where like you could pick the route, and maybe there's better routes. Routes with better probability that you'll make it.
I'm just like a little amused by full self-driving without a given destination.
Yeah, like
Is
what's
it taking you home?
What's it doing? Where are we going?
Would that be funny if it was just like, I don't know where I'm going, auto go home?
It just goes home.
Calls Uber. Yeah, my Tesla left me somewhere.
Uh-oh. This seems like one of those intersections that's gonna get really confused. Or not. It saw a person. I just saw a phantom person.
Jasper Crossing. Okay.
Gonna go right. It seems to like to go straight or right though.
No end destination that you can view. Huh.
So is it gonna turn here or is it gonna go straight? It doesn't seem like there's a rhyme or reason for where it's going.
No, but I am amused by all of the different stuff it does pick up and choose to display off
Mm-hmm.
yards and
Park cars.
yeah, cans, misidentifying cones. Oh, it saw that parked SUV further in the driveway before I did.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
I'm about ready to put in a destination again. Because we're driving like into Madison, I think. Ish.
Yeah, ish. We're not that far from my place.
Should be able to pop back in
Hopkins.
Don Hopkins.
Nice.
See if I did it quick enough. Yeah. Whoop, it decided to whip a right turn. That was a little wild.
Because I'm looking and I'm like, oh, it's going left. No, that it said.
And it makes it hard because, like, your instincts, I was checking my left blind spot. But no, it made a right turn.
That'd make my stomach upset at certain times.
Oh my gosh. Because I thought it was going to do a little box to, like, turn around. But nope.
Well, if I'm prepped to go left and the car goes the opposite direction.
Yeah.
Minor thoughts.
Surprise. She's like I swear, she's like a taxi driver.
Huh.
Well, I say she because I named my car Joyride.
Nice.
So I call her Joy. Now give room to this Honda, please.
Like, did.
I wish it would do it sooner, is the thing. Like, it does it kind of at the last minute. Last second.
Simulates a real driver.
That's kind of true. For the most part, like light detection and intersections, there's just it's those edge cases. That's how it's all about.
Don't want to curb your new wheel.
No.
Kerbit the frog here.
Oh, Kerbit the Frog?
Yeah. It's my bad joke.
Is that a new one?
Kinda.
New to me.
I've not heard anyone say it, so.
I personally, in this situation, I'd be peeking, or I don't know, I call it
creep.
Or creep. Yeah. But look, we're not at all. So I'm gonna.
Oh.
That's me.
Okay.
What are we doing? This is all...
It says yield, so it yields.
Mm-hmm.
Even if there's nothing.
I'm cool with it being extra careful.
Yeah.
Like
it does for these bumps. These are some aggressive speed bumps. Still not Hamilton Place aggressive. You remember those?
Yeah, some prairie.
So bad.
Lose your exhaust.
Yeah, if you're lowered, you don't go straight at it. You go at an angle.
Car behind us is probably like, why is their blinker on? Because they're gonna go straight.
You left blinkers on. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
What is it doing? Oh my gosh.
I like these. These aren't so aggressive.
Oh, yeah, car doesn't care. Didn't care at all.
It's like, I don't even know those are there.
It probably can check the grade and it's like, I can just drive normal. I can just hit that.